The old home stands alone, all the history of this home. Hiawatha is the town found, of these memories on hallowed ground. Many souls found rest in death, each creaking board, a last breath. A moment in nature led me here, as I stand patiently, listening to hear stories of this wood and blood standing. Abandonment of this I am understanding. The mountain stands guard in the distance, witnessing the horror of the final moments. I allow my curiosity to fester and grow, carefully walking to look through each window. Remember as you travel each day, let nature and your imagination play.